Security guard. Guys, hope you guys are enjoying all the Tokyo videos from my recent Asia trip. It is a little bit early. I'm a little bit late to the Newport Lambo show. Haven't started up this sucker in about 2.5 weeks. My voice is a little nasally. Let's see what happens. She's alive. 2.5 weeks. Had multiple issues with the battery. God bless this car. I still love the Jag SVR. No matter what you guys say, and no matter what I say. Let's go. Get on deck, guys. We're headed to Newport Lambo. It happens on the first Saturday of every month. It's one of the best consistent shows in the SoCal area. Well, mainly the OC. So my, will you look at that, guys? This is like the epitome of fall weather here in SoCal. The leaves everywhere. The weather is pretty acceptable. It's around 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's give it a little. Nice. All right, the car is rolling. Honestly, guys, sometimes I really do search in vain trying to find a place with better weather during the fall and winter, and especially this summer. It's always sunny here in SoCal. Let's give it a little gas here. That's correct, boys and girls. We're back in America, the good US of A. We got gold 86K, and true to his form, he's got the gold flaked wrap with the Italian stripe. I think that's carbon fiber wrap on the side mirrors, but man, parked in good company here. We're gonna check out some cars, and of course this Nissan Leaf. Check this out, guys. Hold on, just wait for it. Just be patient. We got Panda headrests. That's pretty awesome. Guys, this is the nicest TDF I've ever seen in all of America. It's got the black carbon shield, black wheels. I'm not really sure what the color code on the blue is right here. This is a straight up Middle Eastern Asian spec, guys. Overall though, this is a 12 out of 10 spec. Not just 10 out of 10, it's 12 out of 10. The best TDF I've seen today. So we've got the Urises landing in America like hotcakes. Got the Rambo Lambo. Check this out. Got a Urus with a tent attached to it. Check out this chrome red squad. We got the GFG wheels on the Urus, on the Lambo over there, and I think their GFG wheel is on the 488 Spider. He's thinking about it. Guys, I'm so sorry. I've been caught up catching up with a lot of friends and people, but I haven't really filmed much of the show. There's a blue carbon Senna, Centenario Roadster P1, and an Agera RS. Straight up gangster spec right here. Check that out, man. That's pretty hot. Hey, look, I don't know if he's getting pulled over or not, the TDF. Uh-oh. It's, I think he's fine. I don't know. Oh. What? Nothing even happened. What? He didn't know. Oh, there it is. No way, guys. The guy literally did nothing. Maybe he had no plates or something, but we're gonna have to go investigate in a little bit. But look at this 720S, the carbon fiber hood. Very familiar, very similar to the one we saw in Japan at the Suzuka Sound of Engine, guys. It's awesome. Oh man! No way! Literally not. Oh jeez. The cop is back, ready in force. The streets of Costa Mesa, keeping the OC safe and sound, baby. Here it is, guys. We got the 600 LT and an old school Gallardo, and we got two cops having a little fucking powwow over there, deciding who they're gonna pull over next. If anyone is foolish enough to do a pull, but as you saw with the Speciale, you never know. Oh, there goes one. Check out this color on this Aventador S Roadster. They ain't no 50th Japan edition, but this is pretty close. Pretty damn nice. And we got the cops having a little powwow over there. Probably talking about, ooh, Squadra course in yellow. Hold on, let's zoom in. Let it focus. That's pretty nice. Hey! What? He's gonna pull over the security guard. I'm sorry, my zoom is a little off here, guys. Every time I zoom in and out, it doesn't really focus. So I'm trying to get a new camcorder, but this guy has legit just pulled over a security guard. What? We've got this theory here that we think these cops, maybe they just like the attention. I don't know. Just giving this guy a warning and he's U-turning back. Dude, this guy definitely wants to be on camera. Officer, who are you? Tell us your badge number. Oh yeah. We got the Dragon, one of two Dan Demands Agare RS is right over there. There's a man on the ground right there. You see him? Yeah. There's a man on the ground. Oh, he was getting some sort of shot, but there goes the Centenaro Roadster, the P1, and the Blue Carbon Sound. Hey, look, it's the world's only 8,000 horsepower McLaren 570S. The none other man of Strad doing a little gas vlog here. We got the Poverty Blue Crew in full effect here. Here we go. Boom. That's crazy. We got a bona fide Porsche spot. Absolutely no license plate to be seen. What a baller. Sick. And it's in yellow. Oh, look at that Prius. Ooh, just snaking in there.
Oh, it's parking.
Dude, check out the parking on the Maserati. What is this guy doing? It's so bad. He's probably inside Bear Flag Fish Co. right now. Watch me video his terrible parking job. And he's put the wing up. Oh yeah. This guy literally gave up halfway. It's here a start of an 8,000 horsepower McLaren 570S. That's pretty nice, guys. That's pretty nice. Got Mr. Sheep just straight up gangstering it up in the back there. Going to do a little quick loop here at our favorite place in the OC, Crystal Cove. Check out the bicycle. It's glittered up for the holidays. I like that. One more shot of the CGT in yellow. I don't think any of us have ever seen this one without the plate, so let's get out here. Guys, do you recognize this spot right here? That's right, it's where the we shot the Chiron. Oh yeah. Oh no, there goes Mr. Sheep, no! Alright guys, OG subscribers remember that video. Racing a Bugatti Chiron here on PCH. There's a cop behind us.
Whoa! Take two. You got me off the line.
I did. Dude, that thing's fast. Jeez, man. No launch control. That back is fucking fast. I think, guys, it's got over 8,000 horsepower. Sorry. 8,000 horsepower McLaren, guys. You can win this car. You can enter his sweepstakes. That's right. All right, guys, the party is over. We got the Irvine PD right here. We were apparently illegally parked, so let's just loop back, and we're gonna head back to Beverly Hills. And I know Arab o'clock no longer exists because all the Arabs have went home back to the Middle East. So maybe we'll spot some cars. I don't know. Oh, look, he's waiting for everyone to leave. This cop right here. Uh-oh. En route to Beverly Hills. It's been a hot second that we've filmed anything in the 90210, and oh, there is an accident. Hold on. Let's have a look, see what's going on here. Jeez, man, that looks pretty bad. Yikes. Hope everyone's okay. So, what the hell is that guy doing? He's in the wrong lane. As you can tell, the holiday Christmas vibe here in Beverly Hills is pretty damn intense. They got all the lights up. Of course, you guys got to check out Rodeo Drive. They've completely decked it out with decorations. So my thinking is maybe with all the Christmassy decorations and it being the weekend, cars will be out. I don't know where that logic came from, but dude, the decorations here on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, not bad. They got these funky little star things, all the lights coordinated, and of course they have like a couple like live performance artists running amok here. So let's park the car and see what happens. Guys, you know we're back in Beverly Hills and we got acrobats with body paint, literally flexing. Oh my goodness, that is what? It never gets old.